Hello everyone, John Higgins again. We'll call this the report card on Papua New Guinea's 50th independence anniversary. The National Parliament, in its wisdom, amended Section 145 of the Constitution on votes of no confidence, extending the grace period to 18 months. This is in addition to the 18 months Parliament agreed to in 1991 from the original 6 months grace period as enacted by the Founding Fathers. It can be confusing to the ordinary people if they don't follow it or understand it. Whatever the argument, in the nutshell, this latest extension to the grace period gives this government or any government after an election the full 5-year term. There is no doubt about that. They will go out of their way to survive the first vote of no confidence, and after securing that, they have almost a free run to the end of their term. The government says the amendment is necessary to ensure political and administrative stability, prerequisites to implement government policy. There's no doubt about that. The opposition, though, is seeking a court ruling, and here is an interesting part to that. A similar case under Peter O'Neill in 2015, where a judge interpreted the grace period beyond 6 months as not in the character and the nature of the grace period. So we can expect more commentary on this from various sections of the community in the country. Looking back, though, it appears that elected leaders in Papua New Guinea either need more time in Parliament or stay longer in government, all under the banner of service. Shortly after independence, they voted to extend their term in Parliament from 4 years to 5 years, and then increased the grace period for a vote of no confidence from 6 months to 18 months in 1991. And after that, and a further 18 months this time. Critics have criticized this change as entrenchment and or shielding or protecting themselves. But as elected leaders, whatever they do or say in Parliament represents the sentiments of the people who elected them. There is always a fine line to that. Given today's state of the country, the law and order issues, the youth problems, the economy, the corruption, are the people at fault or the elected members of Parliament are at fault here? Papua New Guinea's report card at 50. Are we on the path of prosperity given our age, or are we stuck at the crossroads where elected leaders more time in Parliament or government to find solutions, if ever?